How to insert page number from a specific page in Google Docs. Open up your browser. In the search bar, search for docs.google.com and then open up your document. Now go to the where you would like the numbering to begin. And then you need to go ahead and simply place the cursor on the very top of that page. Now click on Insert, then click on Break, then choose Page Break. And just like that, click on Insert again. Click on Page Element, select Page Number, and then choose the page number style you would want. Tap onto it. After that, simply tap on Options, and then select Page Numbers, and then choose Start at 1, and then click on Apply. And finally, go back to the earlier page and delete the page number from there. Since link to previous is turned off, only those pages will be affected. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.